Hello, so I thought I would do 4 words today that are easily confused. And so the first 2 are the easiest ones. Complementary with the EM and complementary with the IM. The EM is easier. It's something that goes well together, like complementary colors. And you sign that if it matches. Think about that word, matches. It goes together. We've done gears or motor, but it just matches. Oh, that color is complementary. You know, like on the color wheel, or that's a complementary color. Oh, that furniture and the pictures, complementary. It goes well together. It matches. And they're going, really? Yes. Oh, what about my outfit? Does it match? Does it go together? Yes, it's complementary. So we may not use that word, except for complementary colors maybe, but we do use that, but that's what that means, is so it means it goes well together. So I would use the sign for match. Now the IM for complementary is that you're giving someone a compliment, which is what? It's a praise. So if someone's a compliment, then you would sign those for praise. Don't do it with the heels of your hands, because at school, when they were trying to get the children's attention, they would clap really loud. And so that's how that's signed for school. So if you're complimenting someone or praising, then you would use the fingertips and then at the bottom part of the hand, like you're clapping. It's a compliment. So any kind of praise or compliment, this is the sign for that. So those are the easy ones, right? So now we get to the harder ones. Imply and infer. And imply comes from the speaker. It is something that they are saying that's not, they're not saying it directly or explicitly. So explicitly or non-directly, this. I would not say clear to sign for clear. I would use that for different things. So for this instance, for imply, they're not direct. They're suggesting something. They're suggesting an idea. They're suggesting that this is the reason why, or they're suggesting the result of. They're suggesting something. So they are implying. It's something that the speaker's saying. It's not direct, but it's a suggestion. The infer, that last one, is something that the listener deduces from what the speaker is saying. So if the speaker is not clear, is not saying something directly, then the listener is going, I think they mean, I think what they're saying is, and that's how I would probably sign it. I believe they're saying, I think they're saying, from what they said, I believe blah, blah, blah. I think they mean. I think they mean this. I think they mean that, right? So they think they mean. So, or I believe they're saying. I would not try to get a sign for to deduce or a deduction, because it's really the listener. I think they're saying this. I think they're saying this. I think they mean this. I believe they're saying this. From what they're saying, it sounds like whatever. So I would say mean, or I think what they're saying is. So because you're thinking about it, or it sounds like that they're saying this. So it's what they mean. I think they mean this. It sounds like what they're saying, or from what I understand, they're meaning this. And someone goes, no, I thought they were saying blah, blah, blah. And you're going, okay, I think maybe too. All right, okay, maybe I misunderstood. So this is mean, and this is to misunderstand. So I want you to kind of think about it and practice and look at those words and how you would use it, ask your friends to use those words in a sentence and think about how would you sign that. Because remember, this language is about concepts. And so you really need to kind of ponder what people are saying. What do they mean? They can say it directly, or they can imply, to suggest. So practice again and again and again, and I will see you later. Bye.